Ever wonder why millionaires seem to get richer every year? It's not some big secret, it's about having multiple income streams. See, while most people rely on a single paycheck, millionaires have their money working for them in various ways. In this video, we're diving deep into the 7 most common income streams of the wealthy. The best part? These aren't just for millionaires, you can start building these yourself today. Alright, let's kick things off with the most familiar one, earned income. This is your 9-to-5 job, your salary, your hourly wage, basically trading time for money. And listen, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that, especially when you're starting out. But here's the key difference. Millionaires rarely rely solely on earned income. They see it as a crucial stepping stone, a way to generate cash flow to fuel their other income streams. Think of it as the foundation you build upon. So whether you're a teacher, a programmer, or even working that side hustle, remember, use that earned income strategically. Invest it, start a business, build something bigger. That's how you level up. Now we're talking about real wealth building potential. Most millionaires own at least one business, and for good reason. Whether it's a local shop, an online store, or a real estate empire, business income offers something earned income can't leverage. Instead of trading your own hours for dollars, you're building a system, a team, a brand that generates money even when you're not working. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Starting a business is risky and expensive, and yeah, it can be, but it doesn't have to be some massive undertaking right out the gate. Start small, validate your idea, and scale over time. Remember, even Amazon started in a garage. Now imagine earning money just for owning a piece of a company. Sounds pretty sweet, right? That's the power of dividend income. Essentially, companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, they pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders, people who own their stock. This payout is called a dividend. Now, don't get me wrong, you're not going to get rich overnight with dividends. But over the long term, with the right strategy, those dividends can snowball into a significant passive income stream. It's like planting seeds that generate a harvest year after year. Chapter 4. Rental income. Real estate riches. Okay, let's talk about one of my personal favorites, real estate. Now, when I say real estate, I'm not just talking about owning a primary residence. Millionaires leverage real estate to generate passive income through rentals. Think about it. You buy a property once and it generates cash flow month after month, year after year. Plus, you've got the added benefit of potential property appreciation. And the best part, you don't need to be a millionaire to get started. You can start small with a duplex, explore options like Airbnb, or even consider REITs, which are like real estate mutual funds. Chapter 5. Now, this income stream is all about timing and strategy. Capital gains happen when you sell an asset like stocks, real estate, or even a business for a higher price than you bought it. It's the classic buy low, sell high principle. Now, capital gains are taxed differently than your regular income, often at a lower rate. This is a huge advantage for the wealthy, as they can hold on to assets for longer periods, let them appreciate, and then cash out with a hefty profit. But remember, timing is key here. You need to do your research, understand market trends, and have an exit strategy. Chapter 6. Alright, this income stream is for all you creators and innovators out there. Royalties are payments you receive for the ongoing use of your intellectual property. Think book royalties, music licensing, patents, even digital products like online courses or stock photos. The beauty of royalties is that you put in the work once, write that book, record that song, create that design, and it can continue to generate income for years, even decades to come. It's like having your own personal money-making machine. And in the digital age, the possibilities for royalties and licensing are endless. Chapter 7. Now, most people are familiar with interest income through their savings accounts, but let's be real. Those interest rates are practically non-existent. Millionaires, on the other hand, they don't let their money just sit there. They put it to work in high-yield investments, bonds, and even lending platforms. These options offer significantly higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts. It's like giving your money a raise. Remember, the goal is to make your money work harder than you do. And interest income is a great way to do just that. Outro, there you have it, the 7 income streams of millionaires. Remember, building wealth isn't about getting lucky, it's about having a strategy. Start with one stream, master it, and then add another. As your income grows, so will your opportunities. If you want more breakdowns like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. This is Freedom Finance, helping you build wealth one stream at a time.